Feeling stuck with your current haircut? These mid-length styles will instantly modernize your look. 1. Textured lob with subtle layers. Soft layers add dimension without losing length. Perfect for women with straight or slightly wavy hair who want a fuller, modern shape. 2. Classic shoulder-length bob. Timeless and low maintenance. This cut suits oval and square faces and adds polish to any outfit. 3. Face framing layered cut. Layers around the face create a slimming effect and highlight cheekbone settle for round or heart-shaped faces. 4. Soft waves with curtain bangs. Effortless waves paired with curtain bangs give off a trendy, youthful vibe for medium-density hair. 5. Blunt cut with center part. A sharp, clean cut that radiates confidence and works best for straight, thick hair types. 6. Shoulder-length shag. The modern shag with choppy ends adds volume and texture flaring for fine to medium hair. 7. Layered cut with side bangs. Side bangs soften the face, while light layers add bounce, perfect for women with high cheekbones. 8. Angled lob. Longer in the front and shorter at the back. This edgy cut elongates the neck and flatters all face shapes. 9. Mid-length curls with volume. Defined curls that bounce at shoulder length highlight natural texture, ideal for curly hair types. 10. Wispy layers with light texture. Fine hair gains movement and body with soft layers that don't feel too heavy or structured. 11. Beachy waves with off-center part. This laid-back style adds natural volume and complements most face shapes with a relaxed charm. 12. Rounded lob with layers. A rounded silhouette adds a feminine touch, ideal for thick hair needing softness and balance. 13. Sleek mid-length with tucked ends. Straight and glossy, with tucked-in ends for a minimalist look, great for polished appearances. 14. Choppy layers with volume boost. Layered ends create instant bodywork, swell for fine or limp hair needing a lift. 15. Feathered lob with middle part. A soft, feathered finish brings dimension to straight hair and suits women with oval faces. 16. Wavy lob with dimensional color. Loose waves and multi-tonal highlights make this style dynamic and ideal for medium to thick hair. 17. Shoulder-length hair with deep side part. A deep side part adds drama and movement, perfect for asymmetric face shapes. 18. Textured ends with natural body. A subtle yet defined shape for those wanting volume without harsh layers, great on thick or coarse hair. 19. Classic blowout with rounded tips. Smooth volume and curled ends create a refined, full-bodied look, perfect for events and daily wear. 20. Sculpted mid-length bob with layers. Sculpted layers give this bob a fashion-forward edge, ideal for straight hair with moderate density.